Well, good morning everybody. I've brought you to Potter Heigham today. I thought we'd have a look at the flooding here. It's quite bad, isn't it? That's the slipway, look, with the piece of wood across. And that's the decking piece you stand on for your day boats. That's underwater as well. That's amazing, isn't it, how high that is? I hope you're all well. Absolutely freezing here. I'm the only person, well, I saw one other person opposite, but they've gone. A boat did go under the bridge, little fishing boat, but other than that there's only me out. And as it's so cold, I don't blame them in the slightest. It's bitter today. I thought we'd look at all four banks. I'm on the Reps Bank side here at the moment. I'm going to go the opposite side and we're going to go look at Martham Bank. Then we'll cross the bridge and we'll go look at the Hickling Bank. And then finally we'll come and we'll do down that side, which is called Ludden Bank. Did you know they all had different names? It just depends if you walk along it, what village you get to, that's all. That's how that works. Okay, let's go see what else we can find. It's quite flooded, isn't it? I don't think I'm going to walk down that way. This path takes you to Martham. And I'm not going to risk walking through that. I think you have to decide to be sensible, don't you? It's like, if I show you here, normally I'd go and look under this bridge and you can see upriver, but look, it's so flooded. Right down to that boatyard in there. Now, I've not put my microphone on my camera simply because I'm wearing gloves today because it's so cold. And you're thinking, well, what's gloves got to do with a microphone? It's all about holding my camera, because my camera's quite big, walking with my camera wearing gloves, and the microphone sits on top, you know, one of the fluffy things. So I thought, no, I'll just have to make do without the microphone today. So just have to bear with me and hope you can hear me okay. I am going to see if I can just look under the bridge. Let's have a look. I just spotted a few geese on the marsh. There's even a little egret. Isn't that gorgeous? I do like the little egrets. Sorry, it's shaky feet. I could stand and watch. Oh, he spotted me, look. I could stand and watch them for ages. egret that just went for a fly around. I think because he saw me and he thought, oh. You can usually cut through this boatyard, but it's very flooded, so I'm going to go back the other way along the path. And look, if I'd walked through the boatyard, I wouldn't have seen this person doing stand-up paddleboarding. Everything happens for a reason, doesn't it? They must be absolutely frozen. There's flashing lights in that boat. Flashing Christmas lights. I thought we were tier 4 here. We are tier 4 here. Can you be out in boats? High boats? Tell me in the comments below what your thoughts. Definitely flooded. I don't usually walk down this side of the footbridge. I certainly won't be going down the path by the looks of it. But can you work out why I don't stand this side or go down this side? Sorry, the heron just appeared, so I stopped filming and I thought I'd show you him instead. I was saying why, excuse me, I don't come this side of the footbridge, because somewhere on there is the webcam. And it swings around and shows over here. I can never see it when I'm here like this. But it's definitely over there somewhere. Just as well I filmed the heron when I did, because he's gone now. There he is. Those two just ended their boat trip and they're now going for a walk down to their holiday cottage. I'm very tempted to try the footpath. That's just silly, isn't it? Tell me it's silly. I'm still intrigued by this cruiser with its Christmas lights on inside the boat, not outside. If it was outside the boat, you could say, oh, it's just an advert for the boats. But the lights are inside. There's a hire boat. I don't know. I didn't film this side because it's flooded all the way along, look. Right, well, I hope you've enjoyed the floods, everybody. I think I'm going to call it a day here for now. And I'm going to try and go somewhere else. I'm not sure yet. Really not sure where. Not decided at all. But hopefully I will be able to find you something nice. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.